Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on the security. Now let's scroll down, tap on advanced and right under it we've got encryption and credentials. After tapping on it, at the very bottom of the list we've got clear credentials option, so simply tap on it and here your device is asking you if you really want to remove all the content, so if you want to remove all certificates. So let's tap on OK if you are ready. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. If you will have the pattern pen or password, then your device probably will require entering it to confirm the whole step. So actually, this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.